Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Laha escapade. You are Laura
and Johannes, and today we're going to be making cards out of the Will It Print Challenge prints.
So we've got the brick,
We've got the grinding disc,
a chopping board,
a metal plate from a machine,
the shoe thing. It's called, what's it called?
I think it's called a shoehorn, but I still
Shoehorn.
don't know. And also the apple. I'm gonna make a thank you card and a birthday card and see what they look like.
When your life's been put on hold for far too long, when the sorrow and despair is growing strong, there is always something good to be obtained from breaking loose and leave the things that kept you chained. So when you find the strength to really shed your skin, all you really need to do is search within.
dried and we can now review our prints.
So I made 3 cards, 1 birthday card and 2 thank you cards. I used the brick print to make this happy birthday one. It's a really weird print. It kind of, your eyes can't focus on it because of the way it kind of swims. So I used quite a funky coloured paper behind it. And it's a bit, interesting.
You can't focus on it.
No, it's hard.
Weird.
But it makes a good birthday card. Very nice. Then I also used the grinding disc to make one. I used my awesome new die cutting machine to cut a hole in this one, and I used one of our failed vellum prints, or failed one that didn't work out too well, as a little window, which is quite cool because when the card stood up you can see the light shining through.
You also used the window, what do you call it?
Viewing window, very useful tool for card making. Means that you can take your print and look, this is the size of the front of the cards that I use, the standard size that I use. And then you can really find where you want to cut it out, and it makes it much easier. With this one, unfortunately, there's a bit of a mark down at the bottom, so, and looking at it again, it feels like it's not quite finished. So I'm going to put a black card border, a little bit like this window, just a thin one all the way around to cover that up, and I think that's going to make it look quite cool. I really like the window on that one.
See through.
So the third print that we chose was the apple print, and I found some retro style paper that I had with apples on it, and I thought that was quite appropriate. So yeah, looking at them, I'm happy with the apple print. I'll be happy with this thank you card when it has the black border around it. And I do quite like the brick one.
I wonder, is it just too weird?
But I think out of the 3, it's my least favourite one. But that's the way it goes with card making, you can't like all of them. Which one do you like the best?
I don't know. I have to go with the grinding disc because it's the manly one.
Yeah, so let us know which one that you like the most. Comment or a like or whatever. And these will be in our Etsy shop as a bundle, so go and check it out. There's only one because they're a one-off set, but go and check it out. First come, first served.
Yep. And we might do another will it print challenge.
Yeah, so if you have any ideas, give us a comment or send us a message and we'll see if we can get them in. We've got a couple of ideas already, but let's see what comes out.
Alright, see you around.